scheduled for today at the Standard Group headquarters parking lot. And this event now promises an immersive experience into the future of motoring, providing a fantastic opportunity to explore the advancements and shaping the automotive landscape and connect with like-minded individuals passionate about the industry. I'm joined live, as I mentioned earlier on, by my colleague Jesse Rogers. And of course, I'm being told that we are yet to have him aligned to this. So Jesse Rogers will be joining us shortly to tell us more about this launch event, what to expect into today, the activities planned right here at the Standard Group headquarters. But that is, of course, shortly. But as we wait to join him, experts from various sectors are warning that the controversial Finance Bill 2024 could lead to economic instability. The experts say the proposed tax measures will hinder investments, particularly in the manufacturing sector. They cited what they called a potential double taxation and unfavorable tax policies contained in the bill. Sophia Ali brings us a breakdown of this now very controversial Finance Bill 2024 discussions.
Analysts have expressed concerns that the proposed measures in the bill could dampen investment and impede growth in a vital industry. Alex Kanyi, a tax professional at CDH, says the bill's heavy tax burden include increased taxes on income, VAT, and excise duties could squeeze both businesses and individuals and deter businesses.
It is quite clear that there's still the feeling that people are getting taxed more than they could perhaps bear. We had investors giving their comments around how much taxes they have to bear, and that's uncertainty around the many tax changes that we see in the country. We had employers saying they're already contributing a lot for employees, especially where they're matching contributions, and that has an impact in terms of employment. But there are also positives within the Act around advance pricing agreements, the exemption for VAT for transfers are going concern for businesses that are going through hard times.
The Kenya Chamber of Commerce has urged the government to reconsider the bill. The head of policy, Kigen Kiplimo, has cited potential consequences such as increased business cost, reduced investment, and shift towards cash transactions to avoid digital payment taxes. Experts are also worried about the bill, saying it will fuel black market activities, emphasizing the importance of transparency in tax collection and allocations.
Tax is being channeled towards addressing some of the concerns that we have as Kenyans, hence what we call the black tax. So it's a mixed bag. So you're getting relief on one hand, but it seems you're being subjected to higher taxes on another.
Despite some positive aspects like remissions for sectors such as manufacturing and agriculture, Dennis Kakembo, a Ugandan advocate, has raised concerns about the bill's impact on regional integration, calling for a more coordinated regional approach for tax policies.
What we need to do is that we should approach it at a regional level. If we give it to the East African community, where you need to have the input of Tanzania, Uganda, Rwanda, and all of us have got to concede on a particular aspect, I think we are going to manage the appetite of politicians to tax us to the bottom.
The potential stability caused by the bill could push investors to relocate to neighboring countries, resulting in job losses and increase in poverty levels. The government faces a critical decision, balancing the need for revenue with the potential negative effects on economic stability. Sophia Ali, reporting for KTN News.
Thank you, Sophia Ali. But still on matters the economy, the National Assembly's Budget and Appropriation Committee on Thursday conducted public